Hey guys, this is Adi from Audio Spices, and today I want to share with you a crazy new plugin. Its name is Ginger Morse Code. It's a Morse Code based gate or slicer, you name it. Let me show you what it does. So I have this Synth drone pad. And let's say I want to bring some kind of a secret message or a unique and random type of groove to this static drone pad. That's what Ginger is made for. Let's hear some of the latest track I've been working on. Okay, so a 4-on-the-floor kick with a static drone pad I took from Splice, and now I want to make it my own. So let's open Ginger Morse Code and type any word or phrase in English. Let's type in Ginger, for example. Now we have Ginger translated into Morse Code. Lines and dots, and let's hear how it sounds. So, from a static drone to a unique gated pad, we can control the length of each step, the attack and the release, and also the depth. Let me show you how it works. Depth sets how hard the gate cuts, from a light pulse to full silence between hits. Length trims each hit shorter or longer. Attack and release shape each slice, from clicky to soft. Let's hear another example. I have this white noise file here. Just a white noise. And I want to put some groove into it, like a shaker or a hi-hat pattern. So let's click something like groove and listen to it. Without and with. I can also loop one section of the Morse code if I want to. Let's take this for example. Or this. Let's listen to it inside the track. That's cool, but I want more movement from that new hi-hat sound we've just created. So that's why motion is here for. Let's switch motion on. And now we can control the volume of each slice by dragging it up or down. And the panning of each sound. Let's do something like this. Now let's listen to it soloed. I really like the way this plugin turns anything static into a really groovy thing and random thing, although you can find ways to make it more predictable. You can also change the subdivision of the Morse code. Let's say, for example, 1/16 or 1/8. Let's hear it. This was 1/16 and now 1/8. So that was Ginger Morse Code. I hope you guys will enjoy it and make great music with it. You can get it now at audiospices.com.